To restart your Garmin Venu, press and hold the top button just right here, and then press the power button right at the middle. And then swipe up to power off. Then just wait few seconds and press and hold the top button again to power it up. It will take few seconds and the watch will be restarted. So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.